guys, I'm Noel set for CircuitDigest. I came up with a new project for interfacing 8266 with a Raspberry Pi using Micropython. Now you guys see that Raspberry Pi already connected to the 8266 ESP. Now we go back to the code. In a code, I'm using Thony IDE for coding the Micropython on the Raspberry Pi Pico. Now we can see the main. If I go to the view, then click the file, it will show the files contained in a Raspberry Pi Pico. The main.py is the main program of my code. Remaining are the 8266 and the HTTP parser. Those are library which I am using for to the whole operation. Now you can see the code. First I import machine and I import UART and pin, and also the import time and system, and then import ESP8266 because we are using 8266 library to communicate with the ESP8266 module using the Micropython. Now I print the Micropython version, then I create a Micropython ESP8266 object and set up onboard LED, that is 25, also set as output for blink and LED. Now I call the startup function. The ESP06 startup is the main function which call the AT command for checking the communication is okay or not, and this function return true. And every time I print startup, then the result of that menu. Later in a debug portion we can see what happening here. Just like that, I use the echo function. First stop the echo and then print the AT command version of the 8266, then set the Wi-Fi mode and try to connect with the Wi-Fi access point by configuring the SSID and password, just like this one, and wait here until the Wi-Fi is connected. Now after the Wi-Fi is connected, I do the get operation, HTTP get operation and the HTTP post operation. These are the two part of the code which I am doing, and after the completion the post and get, I print the HTTP code and a response to. Now check the output. Check the output or debug log by using the shell window of the Thony library to check. It's my Raspberry Pi already connected to the Thony, so I just run. Click run. Now you can see the Micropython version already printed. The startup true because startup is done. Echo also true because I already stopped the echo. Now you see the trying to connect the Wi-Fi. You already see that is try to connect. Now you can see the ESP is already connected. So the HTTP get and post operation is happening. Now you can see the first the HTTP get operation using that IP. I get the origin IP address of the ESP8266. You can see, and then the post operation URL, what we send over the post content, that will be written with some data more. Now you can see the every time is written 200 and the response 200 and the response for the get and post. Okay, thank you, bye bye.